Hindi.
Beauty pageants, ganyan. How did you realize that you wanted to become a beauty queen?
Well, ever since I was a kid, di ba usually pag bata kayo, ang laro natin sa bahay, mga bahay-bahayan, Barbie. In my case, hindi po ganon. When I was a child, ang laro ko kasama yung mga kapitbahay namin, beauty pageant, ganon, di ba? Ang lakas mga beauty pageant. And the very first beauty pageant na sinalihan ko,
Go,
I was
Jake!
in grade 5. Tinungin niyo ho, grade 5, yung beauty pageant.
Picture!
Oo. Sino ho may mga anak na dito? Meron po ba?
Okay na!
Meron po ako medyo natuto na sumali ng beauty pageant. So yeah, it started there until when I was in high school, I'm joining beauty pageants already until I reached college. And then tuloy-tuloy na po hanggang sa